How to escape one of America's most secure prisons. Have you ever considered what your escape method would be if you were held in one of the world's most secure prisons? Well, I have. It involves a toothbrush, a well-timed fire alarm, and... wait. I can't tell you my plan, but I can tell you how a trio managed it in 1962. Frank Morris, along with John and Clarence Anglin, were being held in Alcatraz Island prison, one of the most secure prisons in the world at the time. Many people had tried their luck in escaping, but none had ever succeeded. At least, that was the claim, up until recently, when a letter was sent to the FBI from John Anglin, a man thought to be dead. So how did they pull it off, you ask? They managed to escape their cells by using broken saw bits found in the prison, spoons stolen from the cafeteria, and a drill made from vacuum bits in order to widen air vents under the sinks and climb up drain pipes to exit the prison. They tricked the guards by creating lifelike papier-mâché heads and stuffing their beds with sheets to simulate their sleeping bodies. They covered up the noise of the drill by Morris playing an accordion, and they covered the hole in the wall using paper and paint. I'll admit there's a bit more effort here than in my plan. They managed to put together a raft and life jackets one night before making the journey back towards the mainland. The raft was found floating in the ocean, and it was presumed the three men died on their escape and their bodies were swept out to sea. In 2013, a letter was received by the FBI reading, "My name is John Anglin. I escaped from Alcatraz in June 1962 with my brother Clarence and Frank Morris. I'm 83 years old and in bad shape. I have cancer. Yes, we all made it that night, but barely." Frank passed away in October 2005. His grave is in Alexandria under another name. My brother died in 2011. If you announce on TV that I will be promised to go to jail for no more than a year and get medical attention, I will write back to let you know exactly where I am. This is no joke. This is for real and honest truth. The FBI have run handwriting analysis on the letter and tried to pull fingerprints but can't claim definitely who wrote the letter. Do you think you could pull it off? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a like and remember to subscribe for more awesome content.